Hello friends, this is Groovy here for Yarcrypto.com, and today guys I want to talk to you about Bitcoin and what is going on in the current situation for us here, both on the charts and the on-chain side of things, because there's some interesting stuff that's been going on in the last few days, and I want to talk to you guys about that. But firstly, I want to kind of give a general picture here of what's going on, guys, because this is the daily chart here for BTC. And as you guys can see here, we have this pattern that we have been following for a couple of days now, which is this falling wedge here on the daily time frame. And currently, guys, we are sitting right inside the pattern here on this daily candle. If I zoom in here on the 4 hour, you guys see that we kind of faked out this move to the downside here, guys, and came back right above the pattern. So we have been seeing a lot of fake outs here, guys, in the last couple hours, really. Yesterday we had one too on this candles here. And it seems like they're really trying to push the price down here. But why do you guys think that's happening? Um, I personally, I think that this is potentially a stop loss hunt on this area right here, because there's a lot of traders who are trading in this general area right here. And if you guys take a look here, guys, I have this piece of news here that just came out, and it says here that 85,000 crypto traders liquidated after BTC fell to nearly $30,000. So they continue saying here that tens of thousands of crypto traders were liquidated last night as BTC briefly dropped to under 3,500. Data from multiple sources shows, with the largest single liquidation order taking place on Bybit, and the trade valued at 4.86 million. So, guys, what's going on here is someone is really trying to hunt those trades that's being placed on this area right here, and they are succeeding, guys. And that's why I always say to you guys, just manage your risk and be careful with how much leverage you're using, because this happens every single time. You guys see on every demand zone, guys, they push the price down and bring it right back up. And this is for stop loss hunting, guys, because um, a lot of people put their stop losses right below these areas right here. So yeah, guys, just be careful with that, because this is happening a lot, especially with this pattern right here and this major level at the 30K support here. But something else that I want to talk about, guys, is the pattern here and where we are in the terms of the current move that we have. So the retracement that I usually make here is this one from the swing low on June 26th all the way up to the swing high on June 29th. And we are battling for 2 days now on this 786 line right here. If you guys take a look, which is the 31,500 level, guys. And it seems like this is also part of that the fake outs that I'm talking about, because as you guys can see, we dropped all the way below this fib level and came right back up. So basically on the daily time frame we wicked down there 2 times on the daily time frame, and just we are holding on right now on this area. So what is the forecast for the next couple days or for the next couple hours? So I would say, guys, since we had this engulfing candle here on the 4 hour, right now the 786 should act as support, and we can potentially go and test the 618 on the 32,600 level. So that's probably my most reasonable thing to think about right now. And that is if they don't push the price back down once again and try to break down from it one more time. But as I said, guys, falling wedges are very bullish patterns, and we should look out for what's gonna happen next. And if we're gonna go up and test this 21 daily EMA, which we have been fighting for a long time now, and I do believe that every time we come back to this 21 EMA, the bears get weaker every time. So yeah, we should watch out very carefully what's gonna happen in the next few days, guys. But something else, guys, that I want to talk to you guys about is it, and it's something that we have been seeing for a long time now as well, and we have been saying here on the channel and on the live streams, is that people are accumulating Bitcoin, guys. It's pretty clear by now. The first thing that we can potentially see here is on the daily time frame, and it's basically looking at the RSI here, because as we mentioned, guys, we have been seeing this constant downtrend here on the price ever since the beginning of that accumulation period, and the RSI has constantly been going up here. So this is the first sign of stronger accumulation. But I have this chart here as well, guys. And this is a chart by Sentiment Feed, guys, which I'm sure a lot of you have already seen this. And this is basically a chart that shows how much accumulation has been going on, because the price is basically going down while we have an accumulation pattern here for whales and stuff like that. So guys, we know that the on-chain has been saying accumulation for weeks now, for days, and we didn't see the result of that yet on the charts, guys. Okay, so it's gonna be really interesting to see how this pattern here is gonna play out, guys, because if this pattern here is true, then we potentially will have a big move on the next few days or the next few weeks for BTC as well. And with the grayscale unlocking as well, that's gonna come in Sunday, July 18th. It's gonna be really interesting to see how will the price react to that, because as I said last night on the live show, guys, usually when the market is expecting something, the whole market is expecting us to go down because of that unlocking. But usually we see that things go a little bit different than that. But obviously we gotta wait and see. Just be careful with the leverage, as I said, guys. But this is basically all that I had to talk to you guys about, just giving you guys a little update on what's going on in this daily time frame and on the 4-hour time frame as well, guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys want to see any more content, you can access yarcrypto.com. We also have our Discord community, guys, where we talk all about crypto related stuff. We do live TA every day, so we are following this live every day on the Discord as well, and we are trading this. So if you guys are interested in that, you can please consider checking it out. Also, we have our news website, yarcryptonews.com. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching again. My name is Groovy for yarcrypto.com, and bye bye.